I'm Sally from Ella's Kitchen and I make yummy new stuff, and I'm going to talk to you about some exciting things you can do with our pouches. At Ella's we want to minimise food waste as much as possible. If you've got any food left in any of our pouches, don't throw it away because we've got some great ideas for what you could do with it. Our veggie pouches are perfect for adding into a pasta sauce or even into a risotto. If you have any of our fruit blends left, you could add them to your baby's porridge or even put them on some breakfast pancakes. If you love baking and you want to get your little ones involved, you can always use one of our veg pouches to add veg, or even one of the fruit pouches to add fruit to muffins or pancakes. If you go onto our website, you'll find lots of exciting recipes and hacks that you can try. Our Veggie First tastes are perfect to add into dips, hummus and sauces. In the early stages of weaning, you may well have some food left in our pouches. A good idea is to squeeze it into an ice cube tray ready for next time. Just remember to defrost it.